Hello guys, welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad. If you want to install any one app but face this type of error, cannot connect App Store. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on. And after that, go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode at least the 30 seconds you have turned it off. And after that, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on journal and tap on iPhone storage, and from here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back, scroll down, tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and make sure that select correct date and time. After that, go back, scroll down, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your again iPhone and iPad setting, and from here you tap on journal, then tap on software update, and from here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.